Everybody wants to be rich. Everybody has a journey. Everybody that has ever been successful, if they didn't record the journey, they eventually wish they did record the journey. So that's kind of why I'm here right now. I want to record the journey. But the main thing that I have come to terms with is I've tried to record the journey multiple times. This isn't the first time I've tried to record the journey. I've probably tried to do it maybe a dozen times by now. I failed every single time. Every single time I tried to record the journey, I ended up failing. Why? Because of me. Not because I was trying to record the journey and that was why I failed and pressures. No, I failed because of myself. Simple as that. I'm at a different point in my life from where I was the other times where I try to record the journey. So I think it'll be very beneficial for me and other people to learn from my journey, to learn from my experiences, and to just overall get a one-on-one view, like me talking to you, like me talking to myself almost, on what I'm going through, how I'm going through it, what I'm dealing with, how I'm going about things, how I'm building my business, building my brand, trying to improve myself as a trader. It'd be good for me to have things like this recorded for the future, even if I don't get a lot of views on it. This is more or less for me to have it documented, to be able to tell myself I'm gonna do something and then be able to say in 10 to 15 years that I actually did it and have it in proof. Just got done recording one of the ads that I just did for both the VIP trading network that I have with me and my friend Kino, and I also just made another ad that is promoting my course. So I'm just kind of getting content made, getting ready for the week, getting all these things, because as you guys know, recently I did move all of my things, all of my services, all to one platform. So as you can see, if you want the free course, you can come onto here. Free courses on here. We got the full trading blueprint trading courses on here. We have the VIP network, which we just launched. This is why I was making the ads. Then we also have one-on-one sessions where you guys can book one-on-one sessions for I can teach you guys how to trade, how I personally trade, and this is all in one spot now. That's why I was creating these ads, just getting them done, because at the end of the day, you can have the best products in the world, but if nobody knows who you are, it means nothing. But before I take you guys over to my office, I just wanted to show you guys, this is the account that we are going to be basically, I'm gonna be showing you guys this account that we are going to be taking all the trades on inside of the VIP trading room. So everything from our live trades that get taken on the charts is all going to be through this main account right here. So all the trades that I take on the live streams, all the trades that I take in the live chats with the group are all going to be on this 100K TOPSTEP account. So if you just want to see the rules and credentials, I did start this challenge yesterday, and by started I mean I purchased it. Why? Because they were doing a discount for the beginning of the year, so I just got it while it was there. But overall, I have about $3,000. I can't let the account go below that 97,000 range. But then right over here, as you can see, I have a goal of 6,000. So it's about $3,000 loss max, $6,000 goal, which isn't bad. We could do it, and I can't hit a $2,000 a day. That is my max loss for the day, which is going to be very easy. Now, I'm going to give you guys more of a run through on the rules that I'm going to be taking to actually pass this challenge. So I'll see you guys in the office. I'm about to roll a little something. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it or not. I'm not sure if I'll get banned. Well, only one way to find out. You gotta see if this is gonna mess up my monetization, but you know how it is. I told you guys, I'm showing you guys the real. What I'm here to talk to you guys about. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna be doing this challenge, and I just want to be able to be as transparent as possible. I want to be able to tell you guys the real. I want to show you guys the real. And at the end of the day, this isn't gonna be easy. I don't want nobody to think this is gonna be easy. No matter if I do great, no matter if I do horrible, at the end of the day, you guys need to understand that doing this isn't easy. Being a successful trader isn't easy. Making a lot of money, running a successful business isn't easy. And that goes for all things. Trying to get in shape isn't easy. Anything that takes time, anything that's worth the wait is never gonna come easy. And the sooner you realize that, the sooner you're not gonna get your expectations broken, because at the end of the day, the biggest thing is having expectations that are too high. It's good to dream big, it's good to have crazy goals, because at the end of the day, nobody's gonna believe in it except for you. But at the end of the day, you gotta be realistic. You gotta know what's attainable, what's not attainable. And sometimes it just comes down to knowledge. It comes down to also having other people to be able to have and give you feedback, so you know, you learn from that. But I wanted to give you guys just a brief little run through of the rules that I'm going to be using when it comes to the challenge, because I don't want people to think I'm just a guru trying to sell his course, and I really trade for real. And if you are there live, you would know, because I can't fake what I do live. I can't pretend to be a trader and catch trades 4 days in a row doing the same exact thing. It's not realistic. But at the end of the day, I am a real trader, so I wanted to walk you guys through my thought process, what my rules are going to be, what I'm going to be doing essentially, what is my game plan. So at the end of the day, I take two main setups. I'm not going to go too in depth into what they are, but to keep them simple, I look for either false breaks or I look for fair value gap fills corresponding with time. So I'm coming to the charts at the same time every day, regardless it's 9:30, 9:20, but I'm there for the New York Stock Exchange open at 9:30. And I'm trading until maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock is like the cutoff. Ideally, I want to get that trade from 9:30, maybe 10. Within that first 45 minutes is ideally when I'm looking to get a good trade. I don't always get it, but at the end of the day, the main things when it comes to why I'm taking a trade is I need to be aligned with time, and then I also have to make sure that it's my type of setup, which is either a false break or a fair value gap being filled. Now, if you watch the live streams, if you're there for the live trading sessions inside the VIP Trading Network, you will already know the types of trades and what they look like. But if you're not, make sure you check those out, or even you could just check the old videos. I have hundreds of free videos at the end of the day. But for those that want to know what my system's going to be, how much I'm going to be risking, I just told you guys the setups. I'm going to be risking about $250 per trade, which is about 0.25% of the account, because like I told you guys, I have about $3,000 of risk on the account. So even though it's a $100,000 account, they only give you $3,000 to lose. So in reality, it's a $3,000 account. If we're really being honest, I'm not going to pretend like it's really a $100,000 account. It's really $3,000 with the leverage of $100,000, which is still good. You can still make a lot of money doing that. But I'm going to be risking 0.25%, which is $250, and that's going to give me about, I say, 12 trades. It gives me about 12 trades. So if I take 2 trades in a day, that's 500. That gives me about 6 days of losing 2 trades every single day, which is very unrealistic, if I'm just being honest. So with that being said, now that I have that, risking per trade, what is my targets? Ideally, I look for 1 to 2s minimum. I don't always get anything higher. 1 to 2 is like really what the average of what my trades are. So if I'm risking 250, I'm aiming for a $500 target. On a good day, I may hit that 1 to 3 and make 750 on a good day. But if I'm being honest, I don't hit 1 to 3s too often. 1 to 2s are very more average, is my average risk reward. So that's what I'm aiming for. I take 2 trades a max day. So the most I could lose in a day risking 250 a trade is $500. But $500 is also my average winning day. So it keeps it so my wins are always gonna outdo my losses. And especially if I catch anything more than a 1 to 2, make 750, maybe even make 1,000 on a trade. If I catch a 1 to 4, it makes up for a lot of the losses. But the main thing comes down to really being able to stick to the plan, not over trading, not over risking, and making sure that these numbers are actually indeed what we say they are. Because we can say they're gonna be one thing, but if we don't follow the rules, if we don't follow the plan, the numbers can end up being who knows, fuck all. But at the end of the day, it really comes down to staying focused, sticking to the process, and sticking to the plan, because we have a system and plan for a reason. I said I do have a daily planner, so I might be out of smoke, but I also hit most of my goals. So right now, the 100K Top Step vlog is what I'm actually recording right now. So we're getting that done. Prepare content for tomorrow, done. Edit today's podcast clips, edited those and they're posted. So that is also complete. And the Top Step vlog is what we're doing right now. Create promo for the course and the VIP is what I also just got finished. So yeah, we about to just so I show you guys, and this is on Notion.com. So if anybody wants the sauce, I don't have a sponsor with them, but they are a great website. I use them for a lot of things, and they keep me productive. So that's that. Just want to show you guys. Yo, if anybody here does content, social media content, what the fuck? Yo, I don't even know. We're just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. But I had this one video that hit 409,000 views. Shit was crazy. I tried to replicate it a couple times. It didn't happen, but look at them likes. That shit is crazy, bro. 6,000 likes. Like, come on now. But I really been trying to replicate like how to make other videos like it, but bro, my content's just not hitting. It's just not hitting. Like, look at how much content I post, but look at the numbers it's doing, bro. 409,000, but then we have 13, then we have 48, 52, 56, 70, 59, 55, Then we got a couple ones that may hit like a couple hundred, but bro, I know the content is valuable.
This as well is like what may work for me may not work.
And it's good content, but might come to the point where I'm just gonna have to. I'm gonna have to start posting actual ads. So yeah, I'm about to have to start targeting them. I have to target them with the monies. But yeah, also check out the private inner circle if you're not in there already. Yeah. You guys ever just sit in bed and you feel like you should be doing something productive, but you don't have necessarily anything to do? I feel like I definitely struggle with that, in a sense of, even though I do the things I'm supposed to do, I always feel this sense of I'm not doing enough. I guess that's just my personality. But overall, I just finished, I just uploaded the rest of the videos because I was out today recording, getting videos, and getting pictures. And I just uploaded those to my phone. So yeah, I have to do a lot of like converting the files, because the files I take the pictures and videos with, I can't have on the phone. So I got all that, and I was just looking at my videos, looking at YouTube, and I'm really gonna try to be as consistent as possible with this, because at the end of the day, I want to be able to have it documented, and I want to be able to be a good role model for you guys. Because at the end of the day, if I can't show I have the discipline and consistency to be able to build things, and then be able to show you, I'm not gonna have a reputation. So at the end of the day, we just gotta stay busy, stay productive. Alright, it's the next morning. About to run this mentorship session. I try to do these once a week with my students. The main thing I try to go over, because they're not all the same skill level, they're not all the same experience level. Some been trading longer than others, but I just try to really go over the market that from the previous week, go over what I'm expecting for the next week, and I like to always try to teach them at least 1 to 2 little things every single week that they can actively implement. The one thing with trading is you don't want to give everybody everything all at once, because you're not going to be able to use it. You want to be able to give it to them a little bit at a time, so they can start implementing each system and concept slowly, so that they can get better at each concept, so that when they learn them all, they'll be way more proficient in each individual thing, so that when they try to tie it together, they'll be way better off. Alright, so I just got done doing the one-on-one session. I'm uploading it to my Google Drive. The amount of content I have is crazy. People don't realize how much trading content I really have. Hundreds of videos, probably even thousands at this point, if I'm really being honest. But I just got done the mentorship session. It was about an hour and some change. If you guys want to look at it right here, get a nice little quick insight to what we'd be doing. Just talking about all the trading I do, all the reasoning behind it, the types of trades, to break down the system, concepts, all of that. And really just talking about the thoughts that I have when it comes to trading. But yeah, that's that. We're about to continue making content for the rest of the day, get our day started. Right now it's only 10:36 a.m. Our day's just getting started. We're about to knock out some more work. The podcast clips. So if you didn't watch already, make sure you watch the podcast I did with Cal Fowler. You can check that out. We talk about his trading and everything, but this is just a little walkthrough. I'm just trying to edit these videos. People always see the YouTube videos, but bro, the content that has to be made, and mind you, you guys can barely probably hear me right now, but the content that has to be created for me to post it on Instagram, for me to post it on YouTube, takes mad time. Like, just to get a 22-second clip, I'm editing a 33-minute video. That's just crazy, but we gonna get it done. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to get the latest content also. Right now it is Monday, January 8th. It is 9:16 in the morning. We're about to get started on our trading. So here, let me just show you the charts. Let me grab this mic real quick for y'all. So basically right now, hold on, let me make sure this looks good, but we're about to get recording. I got my goals for the day. I'll just give you guys a little bit of insight. So the priorities is vlog our trading day, which is what I'm doing now. Post content, record content, and I got a podcast to record. So we're about to get trading. I got the VIP trading network group. They're waiting for me right now. We're all in there about to catch some good trades. We're about to see what we can get on the first day back. So yeah, if I catch anything, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But like I said, we got the TOPSTEP account, so we're just gonna take it slow, see what we can do, be patient, and get to work. get this bread, get this bread, get this bread. But right now, I'm in longs on US 30. I'm almost at my TP2. I'm at TP1 right now. I took 2 trades prior, but I was low risk. This trade, I'm full risk, even though my minimal risk was only $200, and now I'm risking $250, so it's just that $50 difference. But it adds up when you get a TP2. That's an extra $100 on top of what I'm risking. But I'll show you the trade real quick. So it's been a very slow morning overall. As you can see, we're up right now. We're consolidating overall, but I think we're going to be getting a good push higher, considering everything else has also got a good push. Look at NAS 100 flew, S&P flew, and DXY is dropping. So everything's in confluence. It's just a matter of US 30 has definitely been the slower index for the morning. But when you know what you're risking, it is what it is. So we'll see if this trade fully plays out. We're going to see. Right now, I'm down 450 for the day, which isn't bad. It's less than what I ideally was looking to risk, but we're up 200 of that. So we'll see if we make back all the losses plus more, and then we'll see what we can do. But it's the first trading day. Let's see what happens. All right, we're up 300 right now. TP is about 500. So we're just waiting. We're almost there. Stop loss is moved to break even, so we can't lose on this trade. So worst comes to worst, the most I could lose for today, I think 450. Right now I'm only down 133 on that count, but the trade's not over yet, so that doesn't really mean nothing to me. We gotta wait till the trade's actually over. So the next slide, you'll see whether I'm either stopped out the trade or if I won it. So we'll see. So I wanted to show, my girlfriend did get me this book yesterday. This is The Discipline is Destiny, The Power of Self-Control. Essentially, it's just a book about stoic practices, courage, temperance, justice, wisdom. And I'm just gonna, this is what I'm gonna be reading. Of recent, we're gonna see what we can do with it, see what value, but discipline is really key. And as you can see, a TP just got hit. Looks like we are about to be up $400. Let's see if I can catch it. Okay, you get the idea. I'm not gonna sit here and watch it, but we just ran these highs up here. Good target. TP2 is approaching. We got the Asian session high up here, which is our overall TP best case, but we're just looking for that 1 to 2. All right, I'm just getting this recording right now on this trade that I just took. So I'm gonna make sure I post this reel on Instagram. So make sure that you check these reels out on my Instagram. I'll have a pop-up, and yeah, just making sure we show everybody what we do on a daily basis.
Yeah, that shit is so ass, bro. They want the drama on your feed instead of the fucking knowledge. You feel me? Like,
so we just took our first day trading on the challenge. Overall, it was a winning day. I didn't make money. I technically made $70, but in reality, that's a break-even day. If we're being honest, that's a break-even day. I had 2 losses, 1 win. The 1 win made back all the losses plus that $70. I was risking. I went in on the first trade with a little bit less risk than what I ideally would have usually risked. I usually risk $250 per trade, but that first trade I went in with $200. The second trade I went in with the $250, and the last trade was also with the regular risk of $250. And that one trade made me back, I think, maybe $560, $550 back. So I made a little bit on top of that. But overall, it was a winning day because 1, I didn't lose money, and it was a winning day because I didn't lose money. Simple as that. A break-even day is a winning day. If you don't make money, if you don't lose money, that's a winning day because you kept yourself from potentially losing money. So we're just gonna come back, see what we could do. But overall, it was kind of a choppy day due to the fact that price was really moving up and down. Had a lot of volume, but can't complain. I was able to manage risk well. I also did all of this inside of the VIP trading network. All of it was recorded live with the team, me, Kino. We both had a break-even day, funny enough. So yeah, all of that was recorded. The live trades were taken. We also told the signal, so could have taken advantage of it, but it was just 1 day back. I don't really have much else to do. Right now, I'm just kind of getting ready to make content for the rest of the day, kind of just edit, get things done, and really just stay productive outside of the charts. So, all right, so it's the end of the trading day. I just got my TOPSTEP account updated, so I just wanted to show you guys the credentials in the actual TOPSTEP account, just in case you thought I was faking them. But it's the end of the day. Right now, it is still Monday. But here, I'm about to show you guys the credentials real quick. But as you can see, the account right now is sitting at 1,074. Overall, today was the only day of the account, so you can see the best day is also the same as the worst day, the average day, and the best percent of total profit is 100%. You see the average winning trade, which was our biggest trade today, was $520. Okay, so I was about to show you guys the account metrics, but as of right now, the account metrics aren't updated for TOPSTEP. They usually take most of the day to update. Yeah, nothing's updated right now. As of right now, everything is still the same on the TOPSTEP account. Nothing has been updated, but I can take you into the trading view and the Trade-Evate. So as you can see, the account balance right now is at 100,074. And if I go to my Trade-Evate is that platform that I'm actively using to take the trades. It's what's connected to the trading view. So here I can show you guys that. All right, we log in. We're going to go over to the simulation because, like I said, this is a challenge account. And once we get over there, so you get to see. So overall, it just shows me how much I made from each pair. So on US 30, which is the pair that I took the one loss and the one W, I did make $330 in total. And on the NAS 100, which is the one where I only took one loss, I lost $242. So I was risking ideally $250. I lost a little bit less, so which is ideal. And with NAS 100, that was the only main pair that was a loss. Make sure you join all the private networks, all of the trading networks that we're in. The VIP trading network is where we take our live trades, and the FBA private inner circles is where I send a whole bunch of free trade stuff, but it's not the live trading no more, unfortunately. So make sure you join the VIP trading to be able to join us and trade every day. So with that being said, that was my day. But with that being said, I'm going to be ending off this video right here. And it's only the start of the week, so it's just the beginning. I'm going to make sure I vlog every single day. I'm going to vlog all of the trades I take, everything that I'm doing.